We've found, nothing's open, it's Bank Holiday Thursday, but we found a 24-hour meat box. I was reading it going, Fleischer's meat, what does that mean? Literally, a 24-hour
meat box.
5 breakfast. Oh, look, €6.50. And it takes cards. Oh, Dad, you'd love it. Oh, man. We're not here on the way back, are we? Feast day soup. Goulash. Well, the garage isn't open, so the thought of perhaps we'll get a drink. So there's one thing that looks open. Well, there's a restaurant on there and the kebab shop. So we're going to try the kebab shop. Discount superstore, open till 9, shut. Netto, over there, open till 10, shut. Beer warehouse, shut. Everything shut. So yeah.